Garbage Family Show!
Hey Garbage Family Show friends, I've had some requests to make a video showcasing the New Way garbage truck. It's one of my town's newest garbage trucks to hit the roads. So, since you asked, I'm running the roads and following it for you. Let's see this truck in action. Up it goes! Pretty smooth and surprisingly quiet. On to the next one. Hard to see behind the tree, but it went smoothly. Here's a different angle from the front of the truck. These bins are way too close together for collection. They should at least be 4 feet apart. Oh man, but watch this. That's some serious skill right there. This one is a little full, but he handles it with ease. How about this one? No problem. But the next one may be a different story. Up it goes! Oh man! The driver got out and put it all back into the bin. One more cycle and off to the next one. I filmed the shot early in the morning to show you what the truck likes to look on the grabber. Lights things up pretty good. I love the front of the battle cab. Looks tough. Solid grab. We have a couple of bins to collect here. No problem. Just for fun, I threw in a little 520 AmRF N2 action for you. I just like this clip as the truck slams on the cans. Watch the lid on this bin. Man, it was almost torn right off. Back to the new way. This is an angle of the truck from a little farther away so you can see the opposite side. It's a good looking truck for sure. This can is full. Let's see how it does. Shake it till you make it. No problem. Here's one last clip of the New Way garbage truck in action. Be sure to pound that subscribe button and give this video a like because it helps us out a lot. Until next time, Roman out.